All right, so we just we finished Taj Mahal. We finished diving Taj Mahal. Cenote. We followed the main line all the way back to the end, and that's right about the time that we had to turn around. So now we're traveling through the Yucatan again. I better watch how we call that shit. I don't want to screw the regulator. So we're traveling along one of the nice highways in Miami. What do you think about the road construction here in the Yucatan, Alex?
Built about 1,000 years ago.
I think this was hasn't been repaired since.